Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can find buried treasure in Minecraft Bedrock. Now of course Bedrock can only be found in PlayStation and Xbox because of the Bedrock edition. Now because I'm a PC player I use Java edition. Now buried treasure is one of the common things found in Bedrock edition. Now to start off you need to find a map to the buried treasure. Now this can be easily obtained from a shipwreck or underwater ruin structures. These can mainly be found in oceans, of course. Now as it says here, shipwrecks have a 100% chance of generating a treasure map, while the underwater structure or the ruin structure only has a 47 or 48% chance. If I were you, I would mainly look for shipwrecks. Now you can see that the X there is where the map, where the buried treasure is, and the white bit in the middle is where you are. The more you head towards it, the more the white bit is going to turn towards the X. Now if you click on the X, it's going to make a path for you, so when you move on the map, and when you move on the actual map and then you open the treasure, the buried treasure map, you see how the white bit slowly gets closer to the buried treasure. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.